This 2021 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 295BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, skylight, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, TV, slide-out, external shower, microwave, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 295BH is 9,334 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.